Welcome to Diary of a Naturalista. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a very easy way to make an updo on your natural hair. If you're a novice in styling your hair, then this video is for you. Just make sure you keep watching to the end. So you cut your hair like so. The cut doesn't have to be perfect. By the time you're done watching this video, you'll be very surprised that updo can be this easy to make. So just cut any size section of your choice, or preferably medium size section. Then you twist loosely, like very loosely. You can twist the end to be a bit tight so that you can stay in place. So that's me just twisting. You can just twist at the spirit lead. For me, I did medium size section, but you can do yours smaller than that. The smaller it is, the finer it is. You can still choose to make it well arranged. There, I didn't arrange it, I just twisted. It's a freestyle hairstyle for me. So what I'm doing here is just tucking the ends of the twist into the twist. Can you see it? I twist, I just twirl it and tuck it in. That's it. That's how to style it. So just watch me tuck everything in. Yeah, at first the style is not looking like a style, but just keep going. Trust your guts. Trust your energy and everything you put in styling it. I'm going to do the same thing at the front section of my hair, but I wanted a side part, so I brushed that side, the left side of my hair. You can put your Eco Styler gel while brushing now, and then I used a pin to secure it. You can place the pin wherever you're comfortable, like wherever is comfortable with you, wherever fits you better. So this is me putting my pin here. After putting the pin, I started twisting again. Loose twist, like a reminder, loose twist. The twist has to be loose to have this look. So I just twisted. Yeah, you don't need to be so concerned about your patterns because the hair is going to cover it. The part's not going to show. So just twist. This style is very easy to make, and before you know it, you're done. It doesn't waste time. You can do this style under 10 minutes. Isn't that fair enough? Same thing I did at the back part of my hair. I'm doing this loose twist, medium size loose twist, like freestyle twist. I'm done with the loose twist. It is time to tuck in the hair, and like I did with the first part, just take the ends of the twist and tuck it into the hair. Continue with the rest. Very easy. Somewhere along the line, I noticed one of the twists was not well twisted, like it had to be firm even though it's loose, so I just loosened it and twisted it back. This is a way to motivate you. You don't have to be perfect in this hairstyling game. Just keep trying until you get it. If you watched up to this part, give me a thumbs up now. Thank you, I deserve it. And please subscribe if you want to watch videos like this. Subscribe so that I can make more videos for you. Trust me, I'm going to teach you a very easy way to style those updos you see everywhere. So I'm done twisting and tucking. What I'm doing now is to use pins to hold the style in place. If you notice, that first time we twisted and tucked it, especially at the back, it looked scattered. So the pin is just to hold the twist and tuck together. Now you don't need to pin it down your scalp. You're pinning in between the hair, if you notice. Watch closely so you see what I'm talking about. So I'm just pinning them together, the separate twist together. Okay, I think you can see it clearly at the back. See how I clumped the hair together and took the pin to just pin in between, not my scalp. Okay, watch again. Put it together and pin, so it just keeps the style in place. Just use your mirror, try it, and that's it. That's the style. At this point, I added accessory of my choice just to make it stylish. And there you go, that's a style. Do you like this hairstyle? Will you be trying it? Please let me know in the comment section. We'll really appreciate it if you can tell me what you think. Let's interact in the comment section. Thank you. Until next time. Bye for now.